YouTubers, welcome to my channel Try It Yourself, and today's video is about my brand new fruit picker. I bought it for my apple trees, so let's see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. This is supposed to be 10 feet long, so you can you screw it on. So I guess okay, so this is the very top piece, which so that's the assembly piece. Okay, so here's a guide. So you don't need no tools with this set. It's all pre-assembled. So the bolt is simply it's not really holding anything. The purpose of it so it just wouldn't twist. So that's what it looks like. Tie it up. This bolt over here, it seems a little bit shorter, but maybe after you squeeze it hard enough. So no additional tools needed. Yeah, this bolt really should be a little bit longer. Yeah, supplied wrench is pretty flimsy, so this is 7mm nut. Yeah, because this is too flimsy. You're not going to be able to do it. So, to tighten up the way it is, but basically that's how you set it up. And then you just lay this sponge inside here so you wouldn't damage your fruits, just like that. In my case it's apple, and this is maximum up to 10 feet long, but you really don't have to go as long. So I bought a set with a 10 feet long rod, but in your case you can actually go longer or shorter, depends on a tree that you have to reach. So each section looks like about 20 inches long or something like that, or 2, yeah, something like that. So you make it as long as you want to. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Pretty good build, I'd say. So now is the testing part. Basically the idea is you hook your apple with this pointy part or whatever you're picking, but I mean pears or whatever. So hook it over here and just pull it. So now's the test time. Hook it up, pull it, just like that. And it's actually big enough that you can pick a few more apples. So that's how you use this thing. This fruit picker that I bought from Amazon. If you're interested in something like that, I'm gonna leave a link below this video in the description. And if it was helpful for you, give me a like for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And good luck with this pretty cool tool. Now you don't have to climb trees.